Infoman here, and welcome to my SEO Branders review. SEO Branders review is a one-stop shop, all-in-one suite of SEO tools. I was actually very surprised to see how many different tools are inside SEO Branders. And in this review, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what it is and demo SEO Branders a bit. I'm going to go ahead and show you the bonuses that I have for you if you decide to buy SEO Branders from the link down below in the description of this video. And I'm going to show the upsells and the funnel so you know exactly what to expect once you're inside the funnel of SEO Branders. So this is the dashboard of SEO Branders. This is what you're going to get if you decide to buy SEO Branders. You're going to go ahead and get the access to the training. It's going to show you exactly how to use every single one of these tools, including the website auditor, the keyword auditor, the backlink maker, and the visitor tracker, different things like this. You can also see that SEO Branders comes with things like an article rewriter. It also comes with a backlink creator, which allows you to create backlinks on demand. And it also comes with this whole suite of SEO tools that you can use to rank websites. Now, the great thing about SEO Branders is you can use it to rank your own blog articles, or you can use it to rank other people's articles on sites like Fiverr or on Upwork and sell it as a service. However, there is one drawback to SEO Branders, and that's they don't teach you what to do once you've implemented these tools. They don't teach you how to profit from it or how to get additional traffic to your websites. So that's where I have you covered in my bonuses. Go ahead and click on the link down below in the description of this video. It's going to take you to this bonus page of mine, and then you can click on any of these orange buttons and it's going to take you to the page where you can buy SEO Branders, and you're also going to get all of my bonuses. So bonus number 1 is unlimited Quora traffic. This is a custom bonus. You won't find this anywhere else because I created it. It's a private video on my YouTube channel that's going to teach you exactly how to hack Quora to get the most traffic from Quora search terms and outrank your competition. Bonus number 2 is going to be unlimited YouTube traffic. This is going to teach you how to rank any YouTube video and send all of that traffic to your blog to also sell affiliate links and different things like that. This is also a custom bonus. I created this video myself, and I use these tactics right now to rank my YouTube videos. And bonus number 3 is a Facebook traffic course. This is going to teach you how to get viral traffic from Facebook and put it to a blog, an affiliate link, or anything that you would like to do. So pair these with SEO Branders and you have the complete package for how to rank your website and then how to profit from it. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and show you the upsells. There's not many with this. So the front end is going to cost you $17. That's a one-time fee. It's not a month-to-month fee. And that's going to get you all of the tools that I showed you inside of the dashboard. Then you have the Pro upsell, which is going to give you unlimited plus commercial use of reports. And you also get 20 plus additional SEO features. The Agency Suite allows you to sell SEO Branders and keep 100% profit from the funnel. So I actually recommend getting the Pro right here as well as the front end. I can't believe they don't offer this as a month-to-month fee. Instead, they're just doing a one-time price. So definitely, if this interests you, go ahead and jump in on that one-time price. I'm Infoman, and this is my review of SEO Branders. Thanks. Have a nice day.